I'm setting all the captives free, but I'm hanging by a wire. All those suckers know my name, but I just gotta fight the fight. They love to play those dirty games. From the dark will come a light. Look out, I'm coming. Look out, I'm a dangerous man. I'm a dangerous man. I'm a dangerous man. Surviving, I'm standing firm. Better run and hide. 'Cause I'm a dangerous man. I'm gonna survive. Gonna stand and fight. Oh, 'cause I'm a dangerous man.
For over 6 decades, JCI Daet Kabihu, JCI Daet Bulawan, and JCI Daet Senate have built a legacy of excellence and service. We honor our outgoing officers for their dedication and welcome our new leaders, encouraging them to lead with vision, serve with heart, and inspire with action.
You are being called to do something good sa pamamagitan ng organization na to. Hindi para purihin, hindi para magmalaki tayo, hindi para lang makakuha tayo ng award. But more than that, the deeper essence of what we are doing in JCI ay fulfilling the mission of God.
If I could summarize my journey in JCI, it would be iconic. Iconic in the means memorable, symbolic, happy, influential, and unique. Thus, my call to action as your 2025 LO President is iconic leadership, the standard we uphold.
Evening, as I observe the young leaders in attendance, I owe with your youthful exuberance, your palpable excitement and hunger to continue to create positive change in our society. However, I implore every one of you to never stop until you reach the leadership summit.
I am confident that with the support of our dedicated members, the JCI Senate Daet will continue to be a force for positive change in our community and beyond. Let us work together to build a brighter future for Daet and for the generations to come.
I've been knocked to the ground, bell ringing while the crowd screams. I've been worked to the...
Napakaswerte ko. Sabi ko nga, right people come into our life if we know our mission and if God wants to magnify our values. I hope na uuwi tayo sa gabing ito na mas may malalim na purpose, na mas may malalim na passion in life, and mas may malaking pamilya because of JCI.
I am the greatest that you'll ever see. It's like I got light pouring down on me. Can't break this. I am the greatest. I am the greatest that you'll ever see. It's like I got...
Leadership was never just about the title, but about the calling to serve. And while the weight of this role is great, I take it on with an even greater heart. let us lead with a purpose. To our members, let us serve with passion.
Oh, remember that you are strong. Remember that you are strong. But if you ever stray, just close your eyes and say, I am the
Their vision of making this organization truly iconic will push boundaries, redefine excellence, and inspire the next generation of leaders. This is not goodbye. This is a new beginning.
can't break this. I am the greatest. I am the greatest.
Let us be living examples of iconic leadership and uphold the values that define JCI Diet Kabiu. As we embark on this journey together, let us make 2025 a year of excellence, service, and meaningful transformation.
Greatest that you'll ever see. It's like I got light bulb.
Let us make 2025 a year of significant growth and meaningful contributions. Together, let us lead, serve, and build the future of JCI.
I am the greatest that you'll ever see. It's like I got light pouring down on me. Can't break this. I am the greatest. I am the greatest that you'll ever see. It's like I got light pouring down on me. Can't break this. I am the greatest.
Together, we are iconic. Together, we are iconic! Nabuhay ang JCI Diet Kabiu. Maraming salamat.
Yeah.